So we've left Iceland. We're on our way to Greenland. We are sailing with icebergs around us. And we are crazy enough to go play pickleball, or at least attempt to. Very nervous about what it's going to be like out there because I don't have any heavy clothes. I have a sweatshirt, no sweats, and I get to go play pickleball with shorts on and glaciers around us. Now, not everyone can be as stylish as Sam.
Yep.
Oh yeah, gotta get the earrings in or else you won't play right.
My earlobes will get cold.
So on the way to playing pickleball, the captain made an announcement that he had to make a diversion because there is an iceberg. Apparently we're the only ones dumb enough to play pickleball. We came up here and there's nobody here. So we're gonna go get some appropriate clothes on now. We're sitting here on the ship. Greenland out the window, just absolutely beautiful. This cute little village. And when I mean say little, it's little. We got tender ticket number 21. We're hoping to get off the ship at some point today because we'll be back on at 6 and we got in around 10. So it's a tiny window. Before we go into what's going on today, want to go into yesterday. We went through the fjords yesterday. What did you think of yesterday?
It was beautiful. Like, it was nonstop, just beauty. It was really cool.
What did you think of the glacier?
It was really big and white. It was really pretty.
Pulled into this cul-de-sac, and there were two glaciers kind of splitting in half. They turned the ship completely around for a photo opportunity there. We were having a meal in the Italian restaurant here because someone told us to book there because we got to see the fjords we were driving through. It was really, really neat. So they turned the ship around completely, a photo op out there with the glaciers in the background. It was really quite the setting. We sat in here pretty much all day long, watched Greenland go through on the side of the ship. It was just beautiful to watch. There were all kinds of waterfalls and little icebergs. I guess we were just late for pickleball because there was a couple guys up there playing with no shirts on. So that was kind of a fun thing to watch. What's the plan for today?
Wait probably 2 hours to get off. We were having so much fun the other day that we forgot to go up during our time to go get our tender ticket. So that's why we have number 21, which I am assuming is going to be the last one. We don't really have anything planned, like an excursion or anything. So I think we're just going to walk around and check out. I mean, it's really cute. I can see from the window. So just hang out, check out, maybe grab some local food this time.
I'm hoping to eat some puffin or whale. Penguin.
It's sad.
Let's see what we can get. Definitely have to try a local beer. One of the things to mention, I just remember because I'm looking at the window of this tiny town. I think they say something like 3,000 people live here. We drove past a village, more like a hamlet yesterday, and I think they said there were 250 residents. This was the smallest little hamlet I've ever seen. Right out the window, we got to see it. It was really cute. I was expecting to see seaplanes and stuff, but didn't see it.
We are now inviting guests with ticket number 15. Please proceed to deck 3 midships for tendering.
They're on 15. It's been 2 hours. Hopefully they can get to 21 before it's time to get back on the ship. I could almost swim to land. It's right there.
Yeah.
Water's probably a little cold. The temperature today is supposed to be mid-40s, but not windy, and it's blue skies. We'll keep you updated on what kind of shenanigans we can get into. Hope I can eat a penguin. All right, we're here in Greenland, and we are in the town of
Quaqortoq. Quaqortoq.
I'm pretty sure she was spot on. All right, we are sitting here in Greenland, and it's really good, except there's flies. Flies, gnats, crap everywhere. Everyone's walking around town doing the fly swat. So I think we're going to take care of that. Ready? Well, that's a lot better. Now we can not have bugs on our face.
We look cool.
Feel like dorks, but the bugs are actually a hell of a lot better. Problem solved.
Yay. All right, let's go find a beer.
Well, the good news is this doesn't feel awkward at all. So,
Cool with them.
see, they got them too. So we're not the only ones.
Except ours, those look cool. Ours look like something's trying to kill us.
Well, that's because they got their big old like wide brim hats on. We got our
Baseball
cool
hat.
people hats on.
Cool.
So we're still trying to find a beer. It's got to be a bar somewhere.
It is absolutely packed downstairs. Not even standing room only. You have to push through people to get in and out. It's ridiculous. The ship has somehow gotten busier. I swear we're stopping and picking people up in the middle of the ocean. I've decided that this is my favorite bar on the ship. It's empty. It's nice. I got beautiful women hitting on me. I love it. We found a couple of Greenland beers. The color's a little interesting. Sam said she's excited to try it first, see how she thinks of it.
Salud. It's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a little different. It's really thick.
Kind of thick, because either this is their blonde or there was a dark beer.
It's
So,
pretty good. It has like a little fruit flavor to it.
oh, I like that. It's very light. You can't see through it,
Yeah.
which is kind of interesting.
Yeah.
With how cold it is outside, which actually it's not that cold, but upper 40s probably. It's kind of a warm beer. It's an interesting mixture. I guess if you have cold weather, you want warm beer. If you got warm weather, you want cold beer. Salute. Have a beer and get back on the ship.
Cheers.
Cheers. What do you think about the cruise so far?
Fun. There's kind of a lot of days where we're kind of bored, I guess. We're trying to find things to do. There's not as much entertainment as the cruise line that we're used to. We've met a lot of fun people, but at the same, actually we've met a lot of fun people. Most people have been really nice. It's more so we've heard the way people talk about like the staff and other people. They're rude. They're really, I don't know. I don't like that about people. The stops have been really cool. Well, I guess it's only our second stop, huh? Iceland was freezing, but we had a fun time the second day. And so far, Greenland, I think it's adorable. It's beautiful. And it's really nice weather.
So are we selling our home in Mazatlan and moving here?
Heck no.
But they might have pickleball.
No, they won't. And it's cold. And this is summertime. I mean, it's nice today because it's sunny.
Beautiful.
But it's still a high of like 45 and it's August. So no thanks.